Hey everyone, it's CajunDIYDiva, and today we are at the Hotel Mazarin. I'm not sure if I'm saying this correctly. We're in room 410 of the hotel, and we have a room with a king-size bed. So it has kind of a little hallway right here from the door, and we are in the corner. I'll walk out and show the courtyard at the end. But you walk in, there is the bed. It looks very comfy, 4 pillows. It looks like it might have some type of comforter on there. It might be a down comforter, which is kind of weird in New Orleans. Big full-length mirror right here. It's not a very big room. There's a chair, desk. There's USB ports. Let's see. I don't really see any USB ports. There are outlets on the lamps on either side. There's a telephone. And this hotel does offer complimentary breakfast. Let's check out in here. There is kind of like a little mini bar, it looks like, with it's got 2 bottles of water. I'm not sure if those are complimentary or not. Here's your safe and drawers. And over here, there's a small closet. So pretty small, but it does have an iron luggage rack. And it looks like a little bag with a blow dryer. And let's go to the bathroom. It has a stand-up shower. So, decent size of very dark tiles with the glass half door. Little shelf, towels, and bathroom amenities. So, now I'm gonna walk back outside and show you the courtyard. They do have a great big tree trimming machine in the courtyard at the moment. I'm just gonna show, oh, right there's my snookums. There's the fire escape. And here is the courtyard, and they serve breakfast down there. And right below us is a bar, and they did give us drink coupons when we came in. So, this is CajunDIYDiva. If you like these videos, please subscribe and like this video and share it. So, thanks for watching.